This vehicle allows you to view and adjust many of the vehicle's settings to your own personal preferences.
From the touchscreen's Home menu, touch the Settings icon to display the Settings pop-up menu. The pop-up menu gives three options: Home Settings, Audio Settings, and All Settings. Touch Home Settings to make changes to the home screen display. Touch Audio Settings to adjust the audio output and sound settings. The Audio Settings screen allows you to adjust the bass, treble, and subwoofer levels. To make adjustments, touch the plus or minus soft keys, or touch and drag the slider bar to the required position. Using the arrow soft keys, move the sound focal point in the vehicle. Alternatively, touch and drag the focal point to the desired position. Touch All Settings to select all of the vehicle's settings options. A list of three options displays: General, Features, and Languages and Keyboards. The General Settings menu allows you to view and make changes to the vehicle's general settings. From this screen, you can amend the time and date, alter the touchscreen display, set a screensaver, change the master PIN, and view legal information. Touch Features to view and adjust the vehicle's feature settings. Move up and down through the list using the scroll bar, or swipe the screen in the relevant direction. Touch the highlighted feature, for example, Climate, to select it. The Languages and Keyboards option allows you to set the system language and accent language. You can also set the voice gender, male or female, for the system that gives voice feedback. Select Keyboards to view or add keyboards. All of the main menu screens give you access to the settings for that particular feature. All of the settings menus include the All Settings and Audio Settings options. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist.